Here's the best way to use ChatGPT on your Mac. Welcome everybody. Welcome to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here. I'm so delighted you are hanging out today. I'm going to show you the best, the easiest way to use ChatGPT on your Mac. So without further ado, let's get into it. You can use ChatGPT entirely through the OpenAI website, but there's a better way to do it if you've got a Mac handy. We're going to go ahead and use this free application called MacGPT. We're going to head to gumroad.com, but there's a link for the actual app down below the description and pinned in the comments, so you don't have to get it off the screen. This app is free and put out by Jordy Bruin. Jordy is being so gracious by allowing you guys to name your price. If you feel you can't contribute anything towards the project, that is totally okay, and just go ahead and enter 0, where it says name a fair price. Otherwise, you can throw a few bucks Jordy's way. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on I want this, and it's going to walk you through a basic checkout process, even though, again, for my case, for demo purposes, it's $0. Then go ahead and enter your email address. Once you've done that, you can get the app from your email, but it'll also be right here on the screen, so you can go ahead and hit download and get it in your downloads folder. Once it's been downloaded to your Mac, all you're going to need to do is drag it into your applications folder to make it easier to run. Then we're going to go ahead and open up MacGPT. I'm going to allow it to run. It is an application I downloaded from the internet. Now I need to log in with my OpenAI credentials. I'm going to hit login or sign up if you don't have OpenAI credentials. It'll give you an alert. This is a free open research preview. I can go ahead and hit next, how they collect data, all this privacy information. Now we are good to go. To use it, just tap on New Chat in that upper left-hand corner, or you can follow some of the prompts they pop up on screen. So such as maybe explain quantum computing in simple English. Got any ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday party? On how do you make a HTTP request in JavaScript? Go ahead and put ever your request here at the bottom, like maybe, what are the latest rumors on iPhone 15? And just like that, MacGPT gives me a bunch of information on iPhone rumors. It's basically doing my job for me at this point, so don't you guys do that. Continue to come here to me. But you can use this to generate anything you want, and this native Mac experience is far quicker and more responsive than the web interface. And that about covers it. That's how easy it is to use ChatGPT on your Mac. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments or on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. If you have any other questions, be sure to let me know as well. Otherwise, stay tuned. I got a lot more videos headed your way.